Okay, guys, open your present. Open it up. Tyson, open yours.
I'm gonna help him open it.
Okay. What'd you get, Gavin?
I'm gonna help him open it.
Wow. What'd you get, Gavin?
What'd you get, Alexa?
Oh, they're pajamas.
And numbers.
What'd you get, Alexa?
Christmas pajamas.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Tyson, what'd you get?
Do you guys like them?
Yeah.
Snowman.
Wow, are you guys gonna sleep in those tonight?
You're not? Why not? Do you want to wear them? Okay.